It takes just a few minutes to make these beautiful earrings. Hi everyone, this is Bonori's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And to support us, don't forget to like this video please. For this tutorial, I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. Start with one magic ring. Then 6 single crochet in this ring. And in the first stitch, one slip stitch. One chain. In each stitch, make 2 single crochet. And one slip stitch to close up this ring. Now, this is the important part. In the front loop of the first stitch, put a marker. We're going to use that later. And now, in the back loop of the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the back loop of the second stitch, 2 single crochet. In the third stitch, 1 single crochet. In the next one, 2 single crochet. And repeat this till the end of this row. And 1 slip stitch to close up this row. For the next row, start with 2 chains. In the same stitch, 1 double crochet. In the second stitch, 1 treble crochet. Two chains and 1 slip stitch to make a picot. And again 1 treble crochet in the same stitch. Now in the third stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 slip stitch. And this is how we made a petal. Now for this row we need 6 petals. We did the first one, and let's repeat the process for the second one. Make 1 slip stitch in the next stitch. In this first stitch, make 2 chains, 1 double crochet. Now in the second stitch, 1 treble crochet, 2 chains and 1 slip stitch to make a picot, and 1 treble crochet again. In the third stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and 1 slip stitch. And this is our second petal. Keep going till you have 6 petals. And make 1 slip stitch to close up this row. One chain. Now in this stitch we marked before, make 1 slip stitch. Here we're gonna make 4 petals like we did in the previous row. So again, in the first stitch, 2 chains and 1 double crochet. In the second stitch, 1 treble crochet, two chains and 1 slip stitch to make a picot, 1 treble crochet. In the third stitch, 1 double crochet, two chains and 1 slip stitch. And again repeat this process. And this is the result. And now we need a bead at the center of this flower. It could be a plastic or wooden bead, or you could crochet one, like I did. For making this bead, make 1 magic ring around the finger. In this ring, make 6 single crochet, one slip stitch, one chain, and in each stitch, 1 single crochet, and 1 slip stitch. And you could sew or glue it to the center of this flower. And that's it. If you want to know how to attach needle closures behind the earrings, watch this video at the top corner of your screen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.